Yeah, so how are you doing, guys? It's your boy Small Manze back with another video. So if you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon on the road to 200 subscribers, guys, and thank you for 152 amazing subscribers. Honestly, I'm very grateful, man, so yeah, so guys, let's get into the video, man. So this week has been not so bad and not so good, honestly, because remember when we're starting the week, guys, when like -2% drawdown, and right now I'm at plus somewhere around 0.8%, in profit. So that's not so bad, because your trading is very, very hard, and honestly, moving from a -2% drawdown to going back to break even and making some extra percentage on top, that's something that I really don't take for granted. So starting off on Thursday, guys, Thursday I took a trade on US30, and guys, you can see how the trade went, guys. I took the trade, price took me out, and price started consolidating so bad, guys. Like price started price started consolidating. I took the trade somewhere around here. The trade took me out, guys, and price started consolidating. So this was a very, very bad trade to get into, and yeah, but honestly speaking, guys, you can never be right all the time. That's one thing I've come to learn in trading. You can never be right all the time. So yeah, that was my trade on US30, which made me lose like almost like 1% on the account. So this was on Thursday, guys. So that was let's go to fun index. We see how that's the went, guys. So it hasn't been so bad, honestly. I can't complain. But the account so far, don't know what is wrong with this. Don't know what's wrong. So yeah, so far so good, honestly speaking. I can't complain, guys. So yeah, this is what I'm telling you, guys. You can see we are at we've made 204 for that week. That is 0.82%, guys. And honestly, that's not bad for the account, guys. Because I don't want to rush this account, guys. I don't want to rush this. I just want to take it slow by slow, and overall, guys, so long as we are winning overall, that's my main goal. So guys, you can see my profitability is I have a high profitability, guys. My win rate on this one is 61.8, and guys, as you all know, if you have a win rate of 50% or more, guys, there's nothing that is more good than that, honestly, because I have a win rate of 61.9%, guys. So yeah, I'll show you the account, guys. So this was the trades. Let me show you those trades on US30. Yeah, so yeah, this was the trade on US30. So guys, as you can see, this was Thursday. Yeah, these are the two trades. So if you can see, guys, these two trades right here are the US30 trades I'm telling you about, guys. So I had taken two trades. One with 0.05 lot size, the second one was 0.1 lot. So the first trade I lost minus $180, guys, and then the second trade I lost minus $83.91. So that was at a total of 260. But honestly speaking, guys, trading is never, like, it's never guaranteed that you will make a lot of money in trading, But honestly, this losses teach us every day to keep on pushing, keep on working, because you can never be perfect. You can never be perfect in trading. That's one thing I have come to learn, that in trading you can never be perfect. You'll have those bad days, you'll have those good days. But overall, the most important thing is that you're positive, you know, like you always be positive and have patience, guys. So yeah, so this is progress. You can see the graph is still going up, and that's something honestly I really love. The progress is not bad, you know, the progress is not so bad. So let's see the progress, guys. You know, so you can see this was Thursday. What is Thursday? So, yeah, so this was Thursday that I lost that account, that I lost that that trade. Yeah, not so bad, but yeah. So let's now go to the next trade that I took on Friday, which was some gold buys. So at first, guys, you know, I had taken a trade too early. Honestly, you know, I had taken a trade somewhere around here. Where was it? Yeah, somewhere around here, 97, and my target was still this one. Then my stop loss was around here. So this was the first trade that I took, guys, you know, and honestly, you can see it really wiped me out. But okay, I had seen that okay, this thing is about to buy, you know, but the problem is that I entered that trade too early. So my first confirmation for these buys, you know, was, guys, if you see the 1 hour time frame, guys, you can see this support zone right here, guys, you know. So these are very strong support. You can see price was supporting around this is the first point, second point, guys. You can see also that point. So I also expected price that point to support that support zone. So that was the first reason, guys. And also, if you can see guys, if you can see on the 1 hour time frame, you know, we have this trend line, you know, from this point to this point. So this was the first point that I used to draw the trend line. This was the second point. Price broke. I expected to retest, you know, and at least move like 100 pips or 200 pips up before even selling. So yeah, so that was second confirmation. So the first confirmation was this support zone. Second confirmation was this break and retest of this trend line, you know. So my that confirmation was let me show you guys. So my third confirmation on this trade was so my third confirmation on this trade was on the 15 minutes time frame, guys, you know. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see from point A, this is now minor structure. So from point A to point B of this fib level, you can see point A to point B, price retraced back to 62% of the fib level. Then price went traded downwards. So my second confirmation was price was at a negative 61.8 fib reversal level, guys. So that was another confirmation that okay, I'm expecting some buys on gold. So far we have 3 confirmations, and if I have more than 3 confirmations, you know, that is enough reason for me to enter the trade, honestly. So yeah, so having 3 confirmations, are like okay, let me look at RSI divergence and see what RSI is doing. So if you look right here, guys, after having 3 confirmations, I saw okay, price here was going down and RSI here was doing something different. If you can see here, guys, price here was going down, yeah, and RSI right here was going up. So that was the 4th confirmation. Okay, this thing is reversing, you know. So because I also use RSI as a confirmation for my reversals, so that was another reason why I entered that trade. And yeah, so having all those confirmations was like okay, price is about to reverse, you know. So after I lost the first trade, I was now like ready, you know, to enter. So this was my second entry right here, guys. This was my second entry right here. And as soon as I entered that trade, just think like okay, market is at least starting to being bullish, honestly. So but one thing that really made me laugh Fundnext, guys, you know, I don't know if you can see, look at how close we were to hitting my stop loss, guys, you know. And the broker did not manipulate price, you know. The broker never manipulated price because if it was some other brokers that I can mention, guys, you know, right here we were like how many pips to 13 pips, guys. We are like 13 pips to hitting my stop loss. And one thing I love about FundedNext, guys, you know, they never manipulated a price to hit my stop loss. So at this time I was not I was not watching the markets, you know. I was away. So once I came, I was like, yo, guys, you know, just imagine this, 13 pips to hitting my stop loss, and guys, the market never hit my stop loss. And honestly, I think I really love FundedNext, guys, you know, and their spread is so good. So after that, now this was around 8:15 New York time. So this was around the New York session now, guys, you know. Price now started going up, and price so I had set my stop loss around this, you know. So around, I think I made around 150 pips on that trade on gold. So but also I also entered another trade, guys, you know. Once I came back to once I opened my trading account, I saw, okay, guys, you know, I saw this break entry, so this trend line, guys, you know. So this was another entry that I took, and our target is still the same take profit. And what I did is I moved this first trade to break even. So the first trade was risk free. Now the second trade, I was only risking like 1% on this trade. So basically in trading, you should always be risk cautious, guys, you know. As you can see, the first trade was risk free. Then I entered the second trade, which I put a stop loss around, I was risking like 1%, you know, on the trade, but my take profit was still the same, you know. So my reason for entering this trade was I had seen these so yeah, I had seen these price started going up, gave me a retracement. So after this retracement, you know, this is where I went out, and my take profit was around this point. I think it was around, it was around this point. Yeah, around this point. So the first trade was risk free, so that's what I normally do. Like once I see that, okay, I have a second entry, I'll put the first trade be risk free, you know, 0 drawdown, 0 risk, and then the second trade I was only risking like 1%. So generally I was like risking only 1% on this trade. So let's go to my FundedNext account so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, now this was on Friday. So you can see, guys, this is the first trade that I was telling that I took, and price took me out, guys, you know. So this was the first trade that I took, and my lot size, guys, I want you to see, like my lot size still remains the same. Like I'm not increasing my lot size, I'm not decreasing my lot size, you know. It's 0.25. So I took a buy on gold, and price hit my stop loss, you know, with 261.50. that's like 1.1% count, you know. So this was my second entry on gold, around this was my second entry on gold, you know. And I took that trade, and I made almost like 1.5% on that trade, and that was this trade, guys. That was the first trade, this first trade that I am showing you right here. So that was the first trade. So the second trade was this gold trade, you know. I made this $179.7. So that was my second trade, and it was still a buy, guys. So this first trade I put it at break even, and I let the market run, you know. So yeah, so that is the progress on the account, and honestly I can't complain, you know. So far so good. We was able to, at least we ended the week in positive percentage. So I'm currently waiting for next week. We see what is going to happen, guys, you know, because you can see we have passed the minimum trading days, which is 5 days. The daily loss limit is still counting because I've not yet finished the challenge. Still also the overall loss is still counting, and also the profit target, you know. So I think that's it for this week, and I'm also thinking of purchasing another 25k account, and I think I'm going to trade these accounts. I'm going to document that whole journey on my YouTube channel, but I'm thinking of buying another 25k account with Funded Next, because honestly I've started loving Funded Next, guys. The fact that this trade never took me out, guys, I have really loved Funded Next, guys, So once I purchase the account, I'm going to update you guys. So I will be trading these two accounts not at the same time. Once I get updated on this specific account, I'm trading that account specifically. The following day, I'm trading the other account. This will minimize the risk of over trading, and also knowing that, okay, at least I have a target to hit. So yeah, I think that's the progress so far, guys. Now let's wait for week 2, guys. I'm going to give you an update on how week 2 is going to end, if I find. But normally I don't trade on Mondays, so maybe from Tuesday up until Friday. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed, guys. That was it for today's video. See you on the next one, guys. It has been Voice Mouth. Take care, fam, and peace.